Okay, Peugeot 406 2 litre HDI fuel filter replacement. It's underneath the engine cover, so take off your clips, one there, usually one there, but we're missing, and cover off. Diesel filter is inside here. Now, this is a self-priming pump, so there's no need to bleed afterwards as such. It's got an electric pump in the tank. You want to try and keep as much fuel in there as you can. So I want to disconnect the plugs, get them out of the way, so we're going to have to unscrew this. You can unbolt the whole unit and take it out if it's easier. You just have to disconnect your tubes, pushing in and pulling off. Push the plastic in, white plastic in, pull them off. You can unbolt from down here and down there, unclip the hose, and you can lift the whole unit out. I'll get it out because it's easier to show you. Okay, so I've unbolted the whole assembly. Now, hold on to it in vice. Don't do it too tight. You can do this on the car, but it's just easier to show you off the car. Now, this ring, undo it. Obviously, there is a drain plug at the bottom. You can drain, obviously I've sucked it out. You can drain it out first, just so when you undo this, you don't get fuel spilling everywhere. Undo the lid. And the whole top should come off. Ring off. Now, try and keep the orientation the same. This one locks into place. Filter, so it's not actually too bad, but doing it part of the service. We'll see if there's any bits in there. Try and clean it out. I mean, there's some metal filings in there, but pump breaking up over time. So pull the filter off the bottom, clean it out, put a new filter on. Okay, so bolt your filter back on once you've installed it, put it back up, put your pipes back on, apart from this one. Now this pipe is the outlet to the pump. So if you leave this pipe connected to a container and cycle the ignition until we get fresh fuel flowing out of here, and then we can reconnect the pipe and cycle the ignition one more time. It should deplete the air. Cycle the ignition. Here it's filling up. And then we get fuel. Now, I want to do that a couple of times because obviously the filter won't be full yet. Until we get like that. Now I'll switch the ignition off. Hose off. Lift our hose back. Make sure it snaps on. Like that. Now we can cycle the ignition. You may hear bubbles going back to the tank a couple of times. Okay. Now, when you start, you should have evacuated all the air. So you do your diesel filter on 2 litre 406.